when I started Filipino Institute, I wanted to inspire kababayans, but also when I see them getting good jobs, good salary, I get inspired to tell myself, wow, what I'm doing is changing their lives. My name is Gabriel Rimando. I founded Filipino Institute way back 2015. What we do here in Filipino Institute, we hire trainers who are already expert on their field. For example, you're an accountant working as an accountant here in Dubai. So what you will be sharing to your students are all your experiences as an accountant in Dubai. For example, if you're a caregiver here in Dubai, we will hire you as a caregiver trainer, and these experiences for how many years we'll be sharing to our students. In order for this, for example, the students, they will know what to expect working as a caregiver in Dubai. So the secret is hiring people locally. Experience plays a big role in teaching our students. So the trainer will be sharing all their experiences for 10 years to a student who is new to Dubai. You know our tagline in Filipino? It's Kayako. It means I can do it. And here we inspire Filipinos because we wanted to inspire them to dream, to make them dream bigger. And you know what's nice about Zbooni? It helped us reach more customers. Before we were just doing it across the GCC. Now we can offer our courses not only in GCC, because before we have branches in Qatar, in Bahrain. Now we are offering it in Saudi. We are offering it in Oman, in Singapore also, in Hong Kong. And we have students from America. They can have the same quality, the same certification, even if they are not here in the UAE. What I like about Zbooni, because I tried others also. But for Zbooni, just one click, then you have it. It's finished.